Dear students, from today we are going to start another series of modules on artificial intelligence. And today's module will give you the overall introduction and vision of artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is the field of computer science that seeks to build autonomous machines. Machines that can carry out complex tasks without human intervention. So what are its applications? So here you can see that the robots is one of the application. The self-driving cars is another application. So nowadays different self-driving cars are available in the world where you can sit and you can tell that automatic agent or intelligent agent that where you want to go, and that car will automatically move and will be accelerated and braked whenever the car finds it appropriate. And similarly, you know that robots have many applications nowadays. So for example, one of the robot, the medical robot, can alleviate patients over 40 times a day. So this robot is available in the world and it has been installed in one of the hospital. And if, for example, this person need to be alleviated from the wheelchair and want to be transported into the medical bed, or want to be transported into, for example, washroom and bringing back into this wheelchair. So all of these things can be done with this robot. And then there is another robot known as paper robot that works as receptionist in Belgian hospitals. So they have multiple robots, for example here. So they are acting as a receptionist. So you can ask these robots different questions and they can tell you, and they can make appointment for you and perform different tasks as receptionists do. And then there is another very important robot which is taking blood from your veins. So it is using image analysis to find veins, confirmation by ultrasound, and it is accurate than human. So for example, you might have gone to the hospitals where your blood was taken from the vein. So sometime you might have experienced that the person who is going to take your blood from the vein, that person is not finding where is your vein and putting the needle again and again, and you are feeling a lot of pain. So such a robot has been built which you give your arm and then it performs image analysis to find multiple veins. So in your hand it can see all of the veins, and then it performs the ultrasound to see that which vein has more blood pressure, that if we insert needle in that vein, that will give you the accurate amount of blood. It can also analyze and then it can perform and get blood from your arm. So it has some other applications as well. For example, TUG robot can carry 400 kilogram of medication from one place to another. And you know, for a human, carrying 400 kilogram is very difficult. And then millimeter size micro robot delivers drugs through bloodstream at targeted area wherever you want. Then for cybersecurity defenses, we can use these robots, recruiting automation, intelligent conversational interfaces. For example, you might have used Siri in the Apple. So you can communicate with the Siri and that tries to answer you in the best possible way. And then it can reduce energy used and the cost, predicting vulnerabilities in your computer, market prediction, accelerated reading. So all of these are the applications of artificial intelligence, and some of them are belonging to the robots industry more specifically. So AI as a field is merges with other subjects, for example, psychology, neurology, mathematics, linguistic, and electrical engineering and mechanical engineering. However, all of the software is written in computer science. So let's summarize today's module. We have learned the very brief introduction about artificial intelligence, and we have discussed two main applications of robots and self-autonomous driving cars or driving vehicles. And we have learned many more applications as well, and we have seen that how AI field is progressing. And in the next modules, we will be discussing more about artificial intelligence.